Greetings, my viewers. We are at the Arboretum. We have come to chill out, relax, rejuvenate. Wow, this is my typical wellness zone. Typical wellness zone. You need time out to rejuvenate, to refresh, to recharge, to reboot. Okay? So we have come to spend our Saturday here so that we can bond, we can socialize, we can recharge and get ready for the next day's activity. Yes, nature is good. The outdoors is good. The green is good. Breathe in clean energy, clean fresh air. Okay? Wow, 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 wow. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is awesome. Yeah. So much green, so much green, so much green. Yeah. Enjoy the scenery. Enjoy the scenery. Enjoy the scenery. I'll bring you up to speed on what's happening. Stay tuned, and remember to subscribe Jane's Hair Care Solutions, where we bring you content on wellness and hair care.